What's up, lawn dogs? A lot of you have this issue. We're using a chainsaw and the chain comes off the rail. So when you take off the bar and you expose everything inside to attempt to put it in, this is what happens. And it's very difficult to fix it, because especially during the air, because it'll tangle right up. I'm going to show you an easy way, faster way to untangle this mess. And the easiest way, in my opinion, is to do it on a flat surface. Lay it down, spread it out, unravel it as much as you can. This is really tangled. One by one, you start working it out. One by one. And it's done. So all it is not that it gets unraveled like a knot. What it does is it overlaps each other so much, and the edges are so sharp that they lock in together. So if you want to get it free of all those locking together, just lay it down flat and just spread it out, and that's the result. So that's it, lawn dogs. I'll see you later.